former Orlando Pirates attacker Rele Mofokeng continues to attract attention from overseas. There were once reports that happened that suggested the German giant Bayer Leverkusen placed the youngster on their shortlist. According to SoccerBay, the Bundesliga they did believe to be monitoring the 21-year-old after another impressive campaign at club level. And his standout performance for Bafana Bafana, the rising star has become one of the South African biggest football talents. Many believe the next step in his career could come outside the country, whereby Bayer Leverkusen did join the race for Mofokeng. That Mofokeng has been developed into one of the Orlando Pirates' most influential attacking players. He produced 11 goals and 9 assists in 36 appearances across all competitions during the past season. These numbers tell any part of the story of the Sheffield-born attack has become known for his confidence on the ball, creativity in tight spaces, and ability to change monotone with moments of individual brilliance. His performance on the international stage have only increased the spotlight around him that European clubs are now believed to be keeping a close eye on his progress. That's where European interest growing for Pirates star. A move to Bundesliga was going to represent another major milestone in Mofoken's rapid rise in Mofoken's career. Bayer Leverkusen have built a reputation for identifying and developing young star talent. The report interest is another sign of the growing recognition surrounding the Orlando Pirates Academy product. The attacker were also linked with prime giants Monaco that added to the speculation that his future could become one of the biggest transfer stories involving a South African player. That's where the missed chance for Mofokeng happened. Bayer Leverkusen scouts flew all the way to Mexico allegedly to keep eye on Mofokeng during Bafana Bafana World Cup campaign. That's where Bundesliga giants were clearly tracking the youngster Orlando Pirates as a potential future signing, but the brutal twist really didn't even got on for the first match of Bafana Bafana. I think through tactical gameplay and meta and demanding physical strength, maybe coach plans. Imagine being monitored by one of the Europe's biggest clubs and not getting a single minute on the pitch. It did disappoint the whole South African family and also the scouts that were meant to watch one of the best South African youngsters on the pitch. But one missed opportunity doesn't define career. More doors will open for him. The advice I can give Mofokeng is that just keep on doing what he's doing, because for him to be performing the way he's performing, that's another level. Because Mofokeng is a very disciplined boy. Mofokeng is a hard-working player. Mofokeng is a quality. There's no doubt about that. The way he thinks football is very great to have him. So if a young player I always admire is that the type of a player you want to see in football. A player with such creativity, a player who can make things happen for anything. So going there, I just wish that the focus on the boy professionally football, because at that level the demand is too high and you need to be very focused and forget a little bit about home. And I say forget a little bit about home. I mean you just need to focus what is there. For home will always be home. So you must just focus and make sure that you go even far, because I believe Mofokeng is a player who can find himself tomorrow playing at the biggest club. Considering the quality he has, it feels he's well managed, because you see the young boy, there is a lot of things he doesn't know. People around him have guarded him very well, and I believe that they have done so well so far. And this is also the reason we have a great Mofokeng today. Where he is now, that is also the reason we have a great Mofokeng today. Where he is now, that is also the reason where he is now. I just wish him well, and I strongly believe that he's going to do well over there. South Africa, and however South Africa football is at top level. South African national team have many players competing at the highest level. I'm very happy that the young boy move overseas. Mofokeng can play anywhere in the world. Remember that, and it's true the physical aspect of the game can count, but for him to do what he's doing physically. It's not only about the size, it's about being capable of moving around. The 90 minutes being involved in the game at the highest level, tempo without any challenge. Remember that and make sure that so you have a great intelligence of the football so you can succeed at highest level. I just hope more doors will open for his career, and we are behind him.
But don't tell no lie about me, and I won't tell truths about you.
F.O.S.E. just step on niggas. Brand new F.O.S.E. just step on niggas.